What's good, guys? So welcome back to the channel. Before I start this video, I'm going to start by saying God has been great to me and my brother, and not like I'm preaching, but God has been great. If you look at where I'm sitting right now, my background, like where this is the same place that I used to shoot my videos when I started fresh trading in 2023. If you go back to my old videos of 1 year, 2 year, where I'm sitting right now is the same place that you're going to see in those videos, where you see curtains at the back of me and the camera, everything just the same place. We managed to change up one or two things. There was no tiles, there was no shelves, there was no TV stand, like no, it was just floor with some ton carpets all over. But we managed to change everything. It's now left for us to change the door, which you are seeing over there, and the ceiling we've changed. Like we really God have been so great, and it's the same place, same room that you watch those my old videos that I'm still living, the same room, but we managed to change a whole lot of things. There was no tiles on the floor, it was just bare floor, and some place you see carpet, some place just bare floor, but we managed. So I'm just making this video to show you how, as you already saw the title, this video is to show you how you break your own rules. Actually, I don't plan before I make videos, or I'll sit down, write what I'm going to talk in a video. No, I don't do anything like that. I just, as I'm on my chart trading or whatever I experience and I feel like it's something new, something that one or two people are gonna learn from it, I just can pick my phone, camera, and I just do my video. I just put it there, I just start talking from what I experienced. So this video is just to show you how you break your own rules. I broke my rule this morning, today being Monday, first day of the week. Actually, I don't feel anything, but I just feel like how it happened. I need to share my experience with you. That's all this channel is about. Document my journey, my experience, everything I experience, so as others will learn from it, as we see whether we can profitably in this industry. Sorry, guys, I don't know why I'm kind of so. What actually happened? How did I break my rule this morning? This is how it started. Normally, before London session opening, I get ready. Yes, my small routine before I start. Normally, I have a daily routine, but I have a routine I do before I open my chart and all those stuff. I just enter where I sit and trade. Yes, first I'll brush, clean my face, do everything. When I get there, I'll just clean my table, my laptop, my everything. Then all those information on my wall, I just sit, read through everything that I've pasted on my wall. Come sit down, open my laptop, pray, then I'm good to start. So I do all these things before London session opens. So I did all these things. I opened my chart, started to analyze. Already everything was clean, but it's Monday. But you come and see what you get a setup. So I started to analyze GU, analyze Nasdaq, UG. I traded these four pairs: GU, UG, Nasdaq, and gold. So all these trades, they were so simple. I did everything in less than 1 minute. I analyzed each pair in less than 1 minute. But when I got to gold, this was exactly how I break my rules, and I took a stop loss. First stop loss of the week. I don't take more than 3 days, 4 days to go. Let's see how it goes. So I got to gold. What happened was, last week before the market closed, I saw something good on gold, which I already marked out what I was expecting to happen before market close. But before the market opened, I was not around. I don't even open my chart during those night time. So when I opened the chart, I saw that price did exactly what I wanted gold to do. I wanted to buy from a certain level, which it did. So it got to a certain resistance level where I was expecting to exit if it was a trading day, but because it was on Friday, it ended. So it got to that level, and when I saw it, I was so happy that, oh, my analysis was good and followed back. From there, I was seeing something like a setup, and my rules is, before I analyze, I look at my 4-hour time frame. Mostly I don't use the daily time frame. I just do. Sometimes the daily might be bullish, the 4-hour might be ranging. So when I looked at gold, the 4-hour was kind of ranging on my 4-hour. So I was like, no, I'm not trading this pair. and I had an alert at this resistance, alert at this support where it's ranging. So I either need price to tell me where it's going before I trade. But that was on my 4 hour. So what I do is I look out for my direction on my 4 hour, then on my 1 hour I trade in that direction. I wait. If I get a setup in that direction, I go. I don't take reversals and reversals again that direction. So this was what I was looking at through all those pairs, and everything on the other three pairs was very good. But when I got to gold, for my 4 hour it was raining. That's what I told myself. I saw it clear, and I went to my 1 hour. 1 hour was telling me something bullish, and with what I already said I saw on Friday, it played out. That buy that played out, and what I was seeing, it was a setup, but because my high time frame is ranging, I'm not supposed to take that trade back. Even if I said I use less than 1 minute to analyze the other pairs, I was on good, just looking at the pair, just scrolling from time frame to time frame for about a whole lot of minutes, just on the same pair. I realized what I was doing was very wrong. I realized within me that I am wasting my time on this pair, and that's very bad. Because my 4 hour is changing, there's no need for me to even go to the 1 hour and look for anything. You see, but I was still on the 1 hour scrolling from time frame to time frame, and I realized very well that I was doing the wrong thing. I was about getting too emotional, or I was about to fuck up, but I just couldn't control myself. At the point I told myself, this is everything that was happening within my brain and me and my chat too. Time inside me, I told myself that okay, I'm wasting my time on this pair, and it's like I'm getting way too emotional. So just close the laptop, because the other pairs there are no setup. I had alert. So what? Let's leave this pair closed and go and get something doing. When you get the alert, you come and check. Okay. But I was still on this pair, just scrolling through. I'll go to the 5 minute, go to the 15 minute, go to the 1 hour, back to the 4 hour, and I ended up taking this trade right here. It was a good trade, but based on the 1 hour, it was a good trade on strategy. But on my 4 hour, I broke my rule, which is I don't trade the ranging market on the 4 hour. I wait for the 4 hour. If 4 hours is bullish, then my 1 hour I go and I start looking for bullish. Or if I get the 4 hour high time frame trade, I take it on my 1 hour and lower time frame. But this one, 4 hour was ranging, which I'm not supposed to trade in the 1 hour, but I still went to the 1 hour, ended up taking a trade, and I lost this trade right here. So this is something that you should note. I journal the trade. Once I take a trade, I lose. I journal it. So this is something that you should notice. Anytime you're analyzing your pairs, take note of the time that you spend on analyzing each pair. When you trade 3 pairs, you go to this pair sharp, you are done. This pair, you are done. But you reach a certain pair that you are finding it difficult to analyze, or you are not understanding the price action that pair is playing. Just leave that pair. Leave that pair. Even if you don't take a trade for that day, it's normal. Just leave that pair. Go get something doing, because you are not understanding what it's doing. You come later, if it does something that you understand, then you analyze and you are good to go. You don't need to waste time, because I really waste a lot of time on that gold. That gold, I wasted a lot of time on that gold. But other pairs, less than 1 minute, I'm telling you. But on gold, I would say I sat on gold chart alone for about 10 minutes, not knowing what to do, and ended up taking this loss right here. So I just felt like this is something that someone would need. And I've already journaled the trade. I've lost screenshot of everything that happened, my reasons, my lessons, and my lesson on that particular trade is I broke my rule, which is my 4 hour was ranging. I'm not supposed to even do anything on my 1 hour. I should have just left that chart, that particular trade, and just know that I'm now waiting for alert on my other trades, or even on that same pair if you reach the resistance or the support. But I still took the trade and I lost, and it was my fault because I broke my rule. And before I even broke my rule, I realized what I was doing was wrong, which was me overstaying on that pair and just constantly scrolling from time frame to time frame, not understanding what I'm doing. That was what I realized, but I wasn't able to control myself not to fall for it, because I realized I was doing the bad thing, but I couldn't control myself. But I still broke the rule and I took the trade and I lost. You see, from me, from me realizing that what I'm doing right now is very bad in trading, because I'm overstaying on this chart. I'm not understanding what I'm doing. I'm scrolling from time frame to time frame. Me realizing what I'm doing is wrong. but I wasn't able to control myself. As simple as that. So next time, how to control myself is when I realize that this is what I'm doing wrong. I'm overstaying on this. I'm not understanding what price action is saying. The only thing is, the last time I did, I broke my rule. So it's okay. Go come when you analyze. That's it. So I just feel like I should share this with you in case you are going to analyze what you're going to do. Take note of the time you spend on each pair. Don't go to a pair and use 20 minutes to analyze a pair. Stop scrolling from one time frame to the other. Bro, you are not understanding what you are going to fall trades and you're going to lose money. It's kind of bad that if you take a loss, your account is going to pay for it, but it's fine. I learned my lesson, and this is the best way to learn your lesson. Don't just take a trade and don't even understand why you lose that trade. Take a trade, know why you lost the trade, and learn from it. For this past 3 months, I don't even know how it's going with my trading, but after I take a win, the next trade should be a loss. After a win, the next trade should be a loss. I will put in a screenshot somewhere around here, but that's how it is. After a win, the next trade should be a loss. After a win, and from October that I opened this $2,000 cent account, September up till now, I've not made any huge profit. It's just like I'm break even. That's what I always say in my videos. It's just like I'm break even. The account only went to draw down once, which it went to 1,600 drawdown, but I came out of the drawdown, and ever since that was on October that I came out of the drawdown, or is it November, beginning first week of November. Up till now, I've not gone back to drawdown. I've not even reached 2,500. It's just within 2,300, 2,400, 2,100, 2,300. That's how it is. So I don't even want to make this video long. And whatever you take, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you like content like this, and comment your experience, or maybe if you've been through something like that, just comment in the comment section. Let's share ideas. So then, so let's see. Salute, peace, keep trading well, no good profit. Don't overtrade this week. Follow your rules.